Welcome! In this video I would like to explain the mouse action copy or move a class. And this feature can help you speed up your image analysis and make it more reliable. You can find this mouse action here on the mouse mode toolbar on the left side, symbolized by this yellow box here on this button. I have already opened a CT scan of a mouse and created a sphere with a diameter of 3 mm, here in green. And with this hand mouse cursor, I can move it. So when you go to the Move Copy button, by default, the moving is activated. So now I can move the sphere in the 2D slice views, for example, from the stomach to the bladder, from the bladder to the heart, from the heart to the lungs, and back to the stomach. And it works in all 2D views. So here in the coronal, but also in the axial slice view. But it doesn't work between the slice view windows. So when you try to move the class from the coronal slice view to the axial slice view, it doesn't work. I will go back. And it works in the 2D slice views, but also in 3D. So here in 3D, I can also move the class around. You can undo this move using the undo button or by Ctrl Z, like this. And you can restore your movement using the redo button. Okay. And you can also copy a class. Therefore you have to activate here this tick box called copy mode. And now we copy the class. And therefore you have to go inside one voxel of the original class. You press with the left mouse button. You see that a red line appears and it will show you where the new class is generated. So now here in purple we have a new class. And this class, when I press here, will automatically be set as input class. So now I can also copy this class. I can also copy the green class. And it has, the copied classes will have the same shape, volume, size, diameter as the original class. But they have different colors and they also have different names. So they will be named temp1, temp2 and temp3. Now when you inactivate this copy mode again, you can also move the classes. Also the copied classes wherever you want. To the organs, for example. Or to some other parts. And of course also in 3D. You can also copy in 3D. So it works in 2D and 3D. But let me open another example dataset to show you another application. Under Optical Spectral Unmixing, load example dataset. I will close some slice views. So here we have a 5-well plate with fluorescence dye in different amounts. That's why this one is brighter than the other one. I will create a region, also again a sphere, with a diameter of 6. Let me call it A. And now in the same way I could also create the other regions, but I recommend here to just use the copy mode. Then you can copy the class, you move it to the other worlds, and then you can perform your analysis. So for example, in this application, the copy mode has speed up my image analysis. And also it's more reliable because it has the same size, shape, diameter. Yes, so I hope this helps. Thanks for watching and bye bye.